Today we are going to see some basic program like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's start. So first of all we are going to declare header file, that is, and now we are going to declare the function, that is void1, void main. Inside this we are going to declare the data type, that is int type, and three variables that are a, b and c. First two variable for addition and third to store the added part. Now here we are using clear screen, that is this is required for clearing the screen. Printf, this is used to show the message to input the number. Then scanf is required to enter the inputs or to enter the number. So scanf, as our data type is int, so we are using %d 2 times, as our input are 2 and their address is semicolon is must. Then we are doing our arithmetic operation, that is c is equals to a plus b, and lastly we are going to print our value through printf, that is %d is our added number. And lastly function getch. This function is required to hold our output display for some time. So two numbers are 1 and 5. So 6 is our added number. So first of all we have seen the addition. Now we are going to see subtraction. Similar to the addition, subtraction is same. So just we have to change the arithmetic sign, that is negative, and also change some printf statement. Here also. So let's see the output. 5 minus 3. So exactly 2 is subtracted value. Moving to the next, we are going to see multiplication. For multiplication we have to change this program only. So let's begin. Enter two number for multiplication. Enter two number for multiplication. Then we have to change the arithmetic sign, and lastly the printf statement, that is multiplication. So let's see the output. No error. Okay. 1 into 3. So we will get 3. We will see one more output. 5 into 6, 30 is our multiplication number. Okay. Moving further, same we can do for division. Just we have to change again printf, then arithmetic symbol, division. If we have to put division symbol, In printf we have to change division. So let's see the output. So 6 divided by 2. So 3 is our division number. So with this we are going to end our today's session. So in this lecture we have explained addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four are based on only one format. So moving further we will see more programs and more topics. Thanks.